Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Daily Sushi. If you follow me on my shorts, then you already know this is my favorite Japanese restaurant, and today I'm making a vlog over here for the first time. So let's see what all we will try. I will try to take like diverse things so that I can show you also and I can give you a review. So let's start. So they have a lot of sushis to choose from, and also they have like ramyuns, and they have different sorts of ramyuns. So they have like Korean ramyuns as well, and they have dumplings, and yeah, like you can choose from noodles, rice. So they have a lot of options, so you can choose according to yourself. And also so they have this hot pot which they serve over the table, and like the dish, like they will give you all the vegetables and the chicken or like whatever you have opted for on your table. It will be like cooked on your table, so it will be kind of a stew. On the left side, they are making nigiri sushis. These sushis are raw. So this is raw prawn, raw crab. This is with egg. This one is prawn and cheese, salmon cheese. These all come in a set as well. So if you like the raw ones, then you can go for this one. Right one is the one that we have ordered. So we are going for this uramaki roll, and this is our favorite of all times. So this is a beef tempura roll, and this is made with prawn. So this is prawn sushi and with mayonnaise. So let's try. So next up is chicken katsu, and this is how it looks. And this is, mind you, my favorite. So this is chicken filled with mozzarella cheese. So what can be better than this, right? Cheese, mozzarella cheese is, I think, almost everyone's favorite, and combo with chicken is awesome. You should definitely try this one. You know, that kind of pull is not coming because it became cold. We were clicking pictures and all, so it became cold. But if it is hot, this it stretches this much. It is served with this sweet and tangy sauce. It tastes amazing with this sauce. Next, we are trying the ramyun, which is like we have selected the Korean chicken katsu ramyun, and it looks like this. So it is having instant noodles, the imported instant noodles, egg, bok choy, and then the chicken katsu, which is like fried chicken and with mushrooms. This ramen is quite wholesome. Like if you take one bowl, I think if you're having only ramen, you can be like filled up with this one only. And if you're sharing, I think you can also share with another person. I think this is having that much quantity, just see. And it is having the chicken and everything, so it is also quite filling. So recommend this one. This chicken katsu I really like this one. You know something, if you watch Doraemon, then you will know the Dora cakes, and these people have it, you know. So they have it by the name Dorayaki. Yeah, this is the one. So Japanese pancake filled with red bean paste. They also keep alcoholic beverages like wines, and you can also try Japanese sake, which is a Japanese rice wine which is made from fermented rice. So I love this place ambience actually. It is very minimalistic, like you have the Japanese and the Korean places. So really love this place and the vibe. And also I've visited a couple of other sushi places, but this one is the best as per me, because they have a lot of options and they also have like very reasonable rates. So this is one of the best sushi places that I find in Bangalore. Do tell me in the comment section what's your favorite, if you also have visited this place, and I would love to try those.